What's up, beauties, and welcome back to I Am Beautiful Hustler TV. If you are new, go ahead and click that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up because this video is about to be raw. Now, my beautiful client came in. It is her birthday, and she came with this bomb 34-inch, like deep, kinky, curly type of wig, and it came with the wig red and everything. And I was like, oh yeah, we're gonna have to record this one for YouTube. Like, today we're gonna do the 3 braids with the 2 ponytails. And when I tell y'all this install came out so raw, it came out so raw. So I already knew it was time to cut that camera on and go to work, okay? So first and foremost, y'all already know I got her wig cap done. And I'm just going to go ahead and start applying my layers for her install. I did a total of 4, but I'm going to show you 2 on camera and then do the other 2 off camera. But once all her layers is applied, we're gonna go ahead and begin to lay this wig down and get into the slay, honey. So make sure you guys thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, and share it with your friends who need some cute hairstyles. Okay? Period. So now that that glue has turned clear, we're going to go ahead and apply that glue right into the lace and just give it a nice firm press on the fingertips. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to pull it down on both sides and take my blow dryer, blow dry it in and comb it in. And I like to use the heat setting to really help with that melting. But once I'm done blowing drying that lace in, of course, we're going to go in with our melt belt and tie down her lace. So now that I went ahead and removed that melt bed, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the extra lace from around the wig. I'm starting with the sideburns first just to make sure her wig is laying flat around her ear. So I'm just going to part off a section and clip around her earlobe, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And once I am done with that, I am going to go ahead and begin to eyebrow razor, using an eyebrow razor, remove the extra lace from around the front of the hairline. So we can begin tucking it down, like whatever's lifting on the edges, and we can proceed with our styling.
Choose Persian love. Are we turning up?
So now that I cut the extra lace and I add a little foundation to the hairline, we're gonna go ahead and proceed with the styling part of the installation. And the base style is a middle part first, but really the middle braid. But you do have to start by parting the hair down the middle, and that way you can grab a section of hair from the middle directly to braid it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and once I get my sections how I need it, I will go ahead and do the braid down the middle. Then I will work my way over to the side, which I create my little side curved section, and then do my side braid and pull out the section for the baby hairs and all of that. Shout out to y'all, and even though most people who watch my channel are not subscribed, the last video that I did with the 3 braids on my cousin, y'all ate that up, like over 100K, almost close to 200K views. Y'all ate that up, and she had the, like the 36-inch curly. But today I was like, you know what, we gotta run this back. But instead of my client today doing the 1 ponytail that my cousin did, she's doing 2 ponytails. So I was like, all right, let's run this look back with some color, with some extra, some extra to it. So yeah, I hope you guys show as much love to this video as you did the previous one, and don't forget to subscribe, y'all. It don't make no sense that 95% of the people who watch my channel are not subscribed. Like, it's just a button, click it. I went ahead and did my other braid, and I'm going to pull out the section for my baby hairs on this side too. But I'm just going to go ahead and start by sleeking my ponytail up like a little bit, so it could be like kind of like out the way. I wanted a hot comb and smooth it out, so when I do get to adding rubber band on it, it's super smooth. But right now I'm just going to finish sectioning out the baby hairs, and then we're going to take some holding spray, spread across the hairline, and tie it down again before we get into swooping and sleeking. So now it is time to remove that melt belt, and it is getting super, super melted. My client is looking good already. So now we're going to go ahead and cut and curl and swoop up these baby hairs. So I'm just going in with my eyebrow razor, chopping it down, going to curl it and swoop it using holding spray. You can use holding spray, gel, mousse, whatever you prefer to do your baby hairs with. I just got so accustomed to using the holding spray, so that's what I like. So yeah, I'm just going to swoop that up and blend it in with the rest of the hair. I'm also going to use holding spray and, you know, do my ponytail, get that nice and sleek. So using that even holding spray, I'm using a yellow can, and I'm just going to sleek that right on up and take my rubber band and secure that, you know. So yeah, stay tuned.
Seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. Driving on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes trying to be a nuisance is just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of Wayne, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my almost feel it smile.
And this side is completed, and I'm going to go ahead and do that other side, and this is what it looks like after both sides are completed. The hair is still dry, so we're going to take my water bottle and wet this hair up, but this is how it looks when the hair is nice, dry, and full. But going in with my spray bottle with just water in it, I'm going to wet the hair and brush through it so we can get the curls nice, tight, and popping.
It's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, see what's holding me. To the right, what it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I'll wave my arms and see what it's now. Still wanna try, still believe in good days are sunny inside, good days in my mind.
And after wetting the hair, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a slay, honey. And I went ahead and did my wraparound around the rubber bands to make it nice and seamless. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Her hair is laid to the gods, to the T. Yes, yes, yes. Melted, 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 melted. This color looks so good on her. And I was so happy she was sweet enough and comfortable enough to let me film this so y'all could get, catch all the details of this slay. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Share this video with your friends. Make it your hair inspo, okay? Thank y'all for watching. Bye.